Let's explore BiblioAuthor Solutions Page and find a solution tailored to your publishing needs. Hi, author. Let's get to know what BiblioAuthor brings to the table as an indie or a seasoned author without going through traditional publishing gatekeeping. Introducing BiblioAuthor's Print-on-Demand Solutions, a book creation and upload system designed to guide authors how to publish their book according to industry standards. BiblioAuthor not only prepares your book for publishing, but also serves as a print-on-demand tool and creates retail-ready metadata for your publishing needs. BiblioAuthor Sprout Starter is the ideal launchpad for authors ready to streamline their publishing process, offering professional print-on-demand services, wholesale discounts, and dropshipping solution. No inventory needed. Multi-Sprout Starter is the ideal launchpad for authors with multiple books or wanting to upload a series. This package offers no expiration limit, so you can start uploading now while you finish your other titles. Enjoy a scalable option and affordable pricing. Publish more, save more. Biblio Dispatch WordPress plugin. Connect your WordPress store to our powerful print-on-demand fulfillment system to automate order processing and enjoy seamless distribution without the never-ending emails between printers, and best of all, you never get to touch inventory. Your publishing journey just got upgraded. Meet BiblioBot, your author-engineered AI companion built to make publishing and marketing easier than ever. With BiblioBot, you don't just keep up with the industry, you stay ahead of it. From crafting blurbs and keywords to planning social posts and launch campaigns, your AI assistant helps you do it faster, smarter, and stress-free. Because we believe your creativity deserves more time to shine and less time on spreadsheets. BiblioBot, empowering authors one smart solution at a time. Hey author, you have successfully explored BiblioAuthor Solutions Page. Now it's time to take the next step to level up your publishing journey. BiblioAuthor powered by BiblioMax.